Hello! I hope you're well and enjoying lockdown, but secretly looking forward to the day that when they open the hairdressers, because the do is becoming a bit Richard Simmons. Today I'm going to show you how to make professional quality takeaway style egg fried rice. It's absolutely stunning. I've been making this for about 15 years. We used to go down to Ingedients in Manchester, the supermarket, and buy ingredients and see what we could make with them. And one time I bought this Nasi Goereng sauce, and oh my days, egg fried rice, takeaway style, was nailed from henceforth. Enjoy making it. I hope you can get all the ingredients. I'll put the links up to places where you can get all the bits. And stay safe. Bye. Okay, so egg fried rice. Proper takeaway style egg fried rice. Heat a bit of oil in a pan, tiny bit of butter. I add a few edges to this, what you would normally get, which is a bit of butter, some pureed garlic, 3 cloves of pureed garlic, that's going in now. Just add some mental levels of depth, because garlic is like the vanilla of the savoury world, isn't it? It just adds so much depth. So 3 cloves of garlic, pureed and fried until it goes slightly golden brown, and then you tip in your pre-cooked fluffy white, that's basmati rice I'm using. Use my guide using 1 cup and the exact same amount of water to make that perfectly fluffy rice. Tip that in and fry it on a heat. Fry it through, get all that garlic mixed in and fry all that rice. Make sure it's all going nice and a little bit crispy. Make a small well on the side and tip in about 30 cashew nuts. You don't have to do this, but it adds, again, a mental level of depth. Just such an amazing little thing to find in your mouth while you're eating the rice. And cover it like that. If you can, just flip it over and let those cashew nuts cook a little bit. Basically, fry them up, get them a bit golden, a little bit of coloration on them. It adds to the flavour, it gives it a bit of depth. So, fry it again, a bit more. Another couple of minutes on the highest heat possible. Make another little well and tip in about a generous tablespoon of Nasi Goereng sauce. I will give you the link to that specific one. It is literally that one and no other. SOS Nasi Goereng. Stir that in. Again, the pan is still on hot. Stir it into all the rice as much as possible. Get every grain coated in that sauce. It's a little bit, it's sweet, a little bit fishy, and sort of MSG salty. Possibly oyster sauce is a little bit like that if you can't get that specific thing. But I would definitely recommend trying to get that specific sauce. Add an egg. Season it with salt and pepper because it's an egg and it desperately needs salt. Put it in the centre of the frying pan after making a well, and then just mix it in while it's hot. You see it's still frying in. Again, you're coating every single grain with those bits of rice. Mix it in good and proper. Then we need to add the Pearl River dark soy. Effectively about 2 teaspoons, just 2 little spots like that. That stuff is well strong, don't put too much of it in. Kikkomens, about a tablespoon's worth of Kikkomens, and that's everything. So basically, mix those 2 soy sauces in, but in the sense that you mix it in, but make sure you got a little separation of colour. Don't try and get every single grain looking exactly the same. You want a bit of white rice, you want a bit of dark brown rice, you want a bit of light caramel coloured rice. It just adds to the appetising look of it all. Okay, so mix that in, and boom, you are absolutely ready to go and dish that up. We had it with salmon, which you can see cooking in the background, with a bit of pesto on top, upside down, crispy skinned. Absolutely fantastic. That rice is 100% exactly like takeaway rice. Enjoy cooking it. I'll put all the ingredients up for you. Stay safe, wash your hands, clean your teeth, and give your mum a call. Bye.